All right, let's focus on the commodity markets now. Manisha Gupta joins in. Manisha, what's the one commodity that you're tracking this morning?
Well, Sonia, I'm looking at the overall sector because it's been a week now when the conflict between Israel and Gaza began, and we have seen many of these commodities actually react on the higher side in sense of a safe haven. So most of the commodities are trading in the positive. The US dollar index also has come off its highs, and that seems to be supporting. And the street is now concerned that the conflict that is between Israel and Gaza, I beg your pardon, could actually spread to the nearby areas, and that has added premium to the prices. Apart from that, the street is also reacting to the Powell speech yesterday, where he did talk about inflation concerns and labor markets, but also did not signal another rate hike in the month of November, and that's what the street is reacting to. While, of course, the markets are prepared for higher rate interest for a longer period of time. The US yields also rising to 5%, near 5%, which is the 2007 highs, is something that seems to be pinning down many of those commodities there. Well, the street also is looking at the Chinese data that has come in on the positive side. The infrastructure investment, the fixed income investments have been on the higher side. The 1-year and 5-year lending rates have been kept steady from China, which is near record lows, which was on expected lines in any case. And the strong third quarter GDP numbers, which came in on a higher side on a quarter-on-quarter basis as well, have been supportive for many of the industrial, non-agriculture commodities there. So take a look at the crude oil prices, and we have seen the Brent gain up by 2.5% in this week, and this is on top of 7.5% of gains that we saw in the previous week as well. Ditto goes for the safe haven buying that we have seen in case of gold. That one is trading at a 3-month highs right now. We are inches away from $2,000 per ounce, and gold is up 2% in this week after gaining 5.5% in the previous week. In case of metals, the best of the gains have come in for the ferrous space, where you have seen steel and iron ore gain anywhere between 1 to 2.5%. Copper prices have been surging as well, 1% on the higher side for that. And aluminum prices also have managed to be in the positive right now. That is because we have seen inventories decline, and the spot markets are looking at the lowest discount in last 3 years. So just about $9 to $10 a ton. So there is buying coming in on the ground, and there is safe haven buying as well, and that has been supportive for most of these.
All right, thanks a lot, Manisha, for that. Well.